Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Let's now execute code 1 to generate the error and observe the outcome. Now, here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Do take a moment to pause the video to understand the explanation. Now let's rectify the code and examine the resultant output. And presto, the code works perfectly and our output is just what we anticipated. The bug is no more. That concludes today's video. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting videos. Remember, stay inquisitive, keep learning, and happy debugging, folks.